Hey guys, what's up? It is Friday, which means it's the start of the weekend vlog. I am trying to decide what I'm wearing tonight. So the plan for tonight is to go to Tai Tai for happy hour. You guys know I love Tai Tai's happy hour. Then we are supposed to go to Downfall. Trying to decide what to wear. This is my wardrobe. It looks a little messy, but it's organized. I would have worn my new skirt from Everything Denim, but I can't wear it because I already wore it and I've already taken pictures and I've already posted it, and it's too soon. This is me shooting my shorts Everything Denim. I would love to do a collaboration with you. I have a couple of outfit ideas that I think we would work well together. Huh? Sister, let's do this. So I decided to wear jeans and a bodysuit. The jeans I'm wearing are the jeans I got when I went thrifting in Abuja. They're that interesting shade of blue, so they're dark blue and not that light blue. It's stretchy, and then I'm pairing these blue jeans with my leopard skin bodysuit, and I am planning on having a good time and looking good and feeling good tonight. I am so not excited, but I'm just happy for tonight. I like going out. You guys know me, I'm a party starter. I like to rock the party. So my camera on my phone is right now in a clamp that I got from Miniso, and basically I just put my phone in it. I just, you know, work the clamp. It is a little bit hard to work with, and I'm able to like film without having to like hold my camera. I'm hoping that I can fit it in my car. I do have an errand to run. Actually, I should get ready to run that errand. Be right back. Woo, all right. So basically I wore a bra, I wore some jeans, wore some jewelry, and I'm headed out to go drop off something. I need to drop off this camera for Naye. Naye is a fashion and lifestyle blogger and content creator. She's one of those bloggers that her stuff is like really stylized and really nice. I have to give this camera to her. It's not mine. I borrowed this from someone, so now the person is borrowing it to somebody else. I really want one of these cameras. It's another thing I want to save up for. I want to start a scrapbook of like Polaroids taken and have something like to remember moments. Two favorite bags. This is a bag I got thrifting in Ushodi. There's a bag that I was gifted to by Saint Salem. Saint Salem has some awesome pieces, guys. I'm gonna put my discount code, and I'm gonna put a link to their Instagram page in the description box below. You guys have to check them out. You get 10% off if you use my code. Like, isn't this a sick ass bag? Look at this bag. I want to run this errand and come back as soon as possible. All right, let's go, guys. For tonight, I'm just doing the last step of my skincare routine. I'm using the Oshedudu Special Oil, Acne Oil, and I'm mixing it with the Organic Life Plus Coffee Oil. You might be like, oh Deola, you have oily skin. Why are you using oils? Oils actually help oily skin. Your skin is producing a lot of oil because there's no it's not hydrated, so it's producing oil to seal in the little moisture you have. And the more you dehydrate your skin, either by not drinking enough water, not moisturizing well, the more oil your face is going to produce because it's not getting that moisture. I started oil cleansing as a way to help my skin, and it has significantly helped me. So I went on a date yesterday and I didn't wear any makeup, and it's not the first time I've done it, but like it was a time in my head I was like, maybe I should wear makeup. Maybe makeup would be, you know, a good choice for tonight, but I decided not to, and I enjoyed myself. I had a good time, and in my head I was like, he didn't treat you any different without makeup on, because he has seen me with makeup on before. So why did you think he'll treat you different just because he decided not to wear makeup? I just applied the primer all over my skin. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna breeze through this. I just wanted to sit down and chat with you guys before, you know, as I got ready before I go out for the night, because I hardly get a time to actually like talk on the vlogs. I'm always like, oh, this is what I'm doing, let's go. Today, the purpose of like filming myself doing my makeup is because I want to like just tell you guys what's up, what's happening, that kind of thing. Today's foundation is MAC Studio Fix Fluid. How much I love this foundation. I am so excited because I'm getting not the ColourPop foundation, I'm actually getting Juvia's Place foundation. Beauty Frenzy was giving out a couple of the darker shades that she has, and I asked if I could have one of them. Now the thing is, I'm not sure if it's my shade or not. If it's my shade, you guys will know because I'll obviously do like a review and wear a test. The issue I have with Juvia's Place website when it comes to the foundations is that their website doesn't have a shade match at all. Like there is no shade match. They don't have like a shade finder or anything. Like seeing it being compared to other like foundations is a really great help, especially if you're shopping online. Every time I shop for foundation online, like when I shop for the ColourPop foundation, I was so happy that ColourPop had like a shade finder on their site that you can put in your existing foundation, and they'll say, okay, this is the closest to it. So for the ColourPop foundation, I input Maybelline Pecan 355 because they didn't have NW48. They had NW47 and they had NW50. I was like, huh, okay. So I had to put in the Maybelline. The Maybelline is my shade, but just a little bit redder. And obviously I can correct that by using concealer. That's not a problem. So I'm really excited that the ColourPop foundation is coming, and the concealer and the setting powder. It's in transit. I just checked it. I'm also glad that I'm able to get like Juvia's Place foundation. If it's not my shade, I'll be so sad, but I tried. For some weird reason, the texture on my skin is really acting up. I think it's because I haven't been doing my skincare properly. The layers of dead skin are building up. And whenever I don't do my skincare properly, I start to get very textured, especially on my cheeks. Time for some concealer. If you watched my video where I did a makeup tutorial featuring Tuke Morgan, I talked about how I watched a Jackie video, and because of her, started layering my concealer, and I think it's a great thing. This is Maybelline Fit Me shade 60. And I'm applying this right under my eye. I love how this shade looks under my eyes. Fills in that gap right there, that darkness I've always had under my eye. Just using that shade just made it so much better. Then I'm gonna take a lighter shade, which is the Fit Me in the shade 45, and I'll add a little bit of this to add some brightness. I found out yesterday that I was the top influencer for Maybelline in my category of people between 0 to 25,000 followers. I was the top influencer for Maybelline because I was doing 30 days of beauty, and I use a lot of Maybelline products. It made sense. In my head I was like, wow, me? I hope Maybelline notices and invites me out to New York. The problem with that kind of stuff though is I need to get a passport, and my passport is currently, oh god, I'm so upset. So I applied for my passport. I paid somebody, did all that stuff, and I still don't have my fucking passport. Let's set. Gonna set with the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I just got a fresh delivery of Davis pencils, guys. I'm so happy. I was running out and it was becoming really dire. I talk about my brows so negatively, which makes me think that because of the negative way I talk about my brows, makes my brows so bad all the time. They're not so bad, but I'm just never happy with my brows. And I'm just like, you know what, fuck it. I can't see myself over these brows. The fun thing is that I prefer, I've always loved doing eyeshadow looks, but to sit down and then carve a brow is just so annoying. So let me go and do this and finish the rest of my makeup. I think I'm all out of gist. I have to hurry up because I've already gotten a message that, what's up, Deola, you getting ready kind of thing. You guys, fixing my phone into the clamp and getting the clamp into a position that is good enough is so annoying. I absolutely hate this thing. I bought this for 1.5 thinking it would be a great way to be able to use my phone to vlog when I'm driving, but obviously it is not. I'm going to have to invest in a proper car mount for my phone because this makes no fucking sense. Like, the footage is all shaky. We are here at Tata. Happy hour Fridays. 50% off.
Smells so good.
Oh my god, the food here is amazing. So this is a frozen cocktail. The wild berry frozen cocktail. How did that taste? How did that taste, Oyin?
Yeah, it was amazing. Brain freeze.
These pack a punch. It's like a frozen shot. It's like a frozen shot. Right? Right? Right?
I think this was
Wow. Oh my god. need to do this all the time. This is really nice.
You gotta listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's all shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, it's a place where we
Last two games. Deola Adebiyi and Yonavia Dagbaladipa.
That's how you beat
We are going to play the game. Let's see if she beats the owner of the house. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start it.
Let me apologize. Look at your life in the public place. Just
Wow. Shira, are you proud of yourself?
Always. So you know that you have to live your truth, live your life and be inspired. Even if it means you have to bust down Totiana.
Guys, good morning. It's Sunday morning and I am headed out to Moist Beach. 3 members of VSS, A, Sanselo, and Isimo are going to be playing a daytime set today. And I haven't seen them play live in a while. So I want to go and enjoy myself. I want to go see my peoples. I love when all of them play. I wish Calix was playing. I don't know what's up with Calix. I'm wearing my slip dress because I'm going to the beach, and I'm carrying along this cute ass bag that from St. Salem. That's a beautiful, beautiful beach. I actually wish I came with people so maybe we could go to the beach and just chill for a bit. But I'm here at Moist Beach, y'all.
Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Get you $1 or something.
Bar right now. Zay is playing a set as well as a couple of other DJs as well. I just left Moist. Moist was fantastic. The VSS crew always knows how to throw it the fuck down.